Hello and welcome. In this home practice session, we're going to explore Uttanasana using a chair. This variation was inspired by our dear friend Eyal Shifroni. And if you're looking for some really cool ways to add props into your practice and some variations that props can give you within some of your asanas, I highly recommend attending his live online workshop. He's doing one July 31st to August 3rd. It's presented by Yoga DNA, and we've included some details about that in the notes section below. Okay, let's begin. So you can see I also have an extra mat here. This is not required, but it is quite helpful, especially if you're working with a harder chair. And you can use any chair for this. Doesn't need to be a yoga chair. And then invert your chair. Now you can take your mat and place it on the back of the chair seat. Gives it a little bit of cushion. Hold on to the tops of the chair legs and then carefully step in. When you step in, bring the weight more to the front of the chair. Your heels can be hip-width apart. And the bottom of the heels can touch the edge of this chair seat. Now you can start in Ardha Uttanasana. This may be enough for your calves. And check that you're bringing the hips over the heels. Okay, and then if you're staying in Ardha Uttanasana, you can roll the shoulders down the back, move the shoulder blades in, and extend the spine. Those that would like to go a little bit further, walk down the chair legs, and you can hold onto the sides of the chair rail, bend the elbows out to the sides, begin to hinge at the front hips, and then release the head down. So the crown of the head is pointing towards the floor, and then you'll feel quite a deep opening in the backs of the legs, calf area, also in the hips. Okay, to come out, you can straighten the arms and then carefully step out. This is a really great variation for those of you that cycle or anyone who has a lot of tightness in the legs, again, specifically the calf area. You're gonna feel quite an intense stretch there. Also helpful for developing the arches in the feet. I hope you enjoy and happy practicing. Namaste.